let's have a look how we can actually copy trading signals into our own trading account, and we will do it together step by step as a complete tutorial. And I will show you this on the smartphone because usually trading signals come when we are not at our laptop or PC. So usually we'll do it on our smartphone. And the very first thing which you are doing here is you go to your Play Store, Apple Store, whatever, and you search for MetaTrader, either 4 or 5. This totally depends on your trading account. You do have your trading account credentials, and there you will also know if it's MetaTrader 4 or 5. In my case, it's with MetaTrader 4. Once you installed it, you find a demo account there, so you can test and try everything there yourself. Even if you have a new trading signal provider or want to trade yourself, you can use a demo account anytime. And once you want to add your existing trading account, your real trading account, you can just go on this plus sign. You can also see you can open a new demo account, a second demo account, for example, or you can log in to an existing account. You will need to type in your broker then, and of course after your credentials, your trading account number, your password, and then you are ready to go. Right now, at the time of recording, there are no trading signals here, which we really want to implement. So I'll just show it to you on the demo account, how you can actually implement it. So once you logged into your account, you will find here at the 2 arrows a lot of trading pairs, so you can see if your trading pair which you want to trade is already there or not. So in my case, I will show this on the example of the Bitcoin USD trading signal. We don't have any Bitcoin USD here yet. So you could go on the plus sign and then just type the trading pair inside, like Bitcoin USD, and you can click and add it. And after, you will find the trading pair here. I already had my Bitcoin USD added, so I just showed you with the Bitcoin Euro chart, just so you can see how it works. Of course, make sure that you use, if the trading pair is Bitcoin USD, that you actually use Bitcoin USD and not Bitcoin Euro or Bitcoin, whatever, right? Always use the correct trading pair. So now what you do is you click on Bitcoin USD, and you can either open the chart here, or you can click on Bitcoin USD and make a new order. If you're going to the chart first and want to have a look at this, you can also place an order from here by just clicking here in the right hand corner, and this is what you will find. Now let's add all the things in here. The first thing is market execution. With the signal I'm showing you here, it is a market execution order, and this means as soon as we are placing our order, it will be executed on the market. We do have also options to buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Those actually mean that we are just adding an entry point, and as soon as the entry point was hit, then the order will be done. However, if you have a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, whatever, you do find it in the trading signal as well. It will be clearly mentioned there. If there's nothing specific mentioned, it is a market execution order. So we click on market execution. After this, we need to decide for the lot size, which you can find here. It can be as low as 0.01 and can be up to high lot sizes. And the lot size is actually defining how much money we are putting in a trade, how much we want to risk in a trade. And for this, you should use a tool, for example, CashbackForex.com. You will find the link also down below in the description. It is a free tool to use, and this is a lot size calculator. How you use it is, first of all, you use the trading pair, which is in our case the Bitcoin USD, the deposit currency, which is also USD in my case, then the opening price, which you always find here at the top. However, notice that the market price they are showing you in the signal is their entrance price. If you find that you do have another entrance price already, because the chart changes, of course, and it always depends if you just dive in right immediately after they posted the signal or not, and especially with crypto, of course, it can vary all the time. So if you have another opening price rather than the signal, then please type in here your opening price at the time that you want to setting the trade. Then after, you add the stop loss price. Again, this is here with the SL. Your account balance, which in my case is $100,000. And then you can decide your risk. I usually go with 0.5 to 1% risk. It depends what kind of account I have and what the requirements are. So if I go with a prop trading account and want to add the trades there, I usually go not above 0.5% risk, because I already have a huge leverage due to the funded account. So I don't want to risk there anything, especially with funded accounts. We do have some drawdowns to maintain. So I usually really don't go above 0.5%. However, if it's my very own account, I am willing to risk more because I don't have to maintain a specific drawdown. So I have a higher risk tolerance there, and then I go usually up to 1%. But for this example, let's stick with 0.5% and let's click on calculate. And then you find if you have this signal and this risk you are willing to take, you would risk a money of a total of 1,000 US dollars, and you have a lot size which you can use of 2.5. If we have only one take profit, then you can go to the app and add here 2.5 as a lot. However, if you have more than one take profit, then you have to divide your lot size by 3. So it would be 0.2 as a lot size divided by 3, which is 0.83 as lot size, which we can actually use. So let's change it quickly in our app. So we make 0.83, and after we add the take profit price, which is 5665, and then also the stop loss price, and then you can click on sell or buy. In our case, we do have a sell signal, so we would click on sell. I will not do it now because it's an old signal from yesterday. But apart from this, you would just go here and click on sell. One thing which you need to make sure, however, is that when you copy a trading signal, you should be close to the entry point. It doesn't make sense if you are seeing the signal a little later, the Bitcoin chart or whatever is already close to the take profit 1 or even 2. It doesn't make sense here to actually copy the signal. I wouldn't do that because you're risking much, much more. So if the chart is fine, then you would go on this plus sign again and you would make another order for the take profit 2. And again, you go, it's market execution. You would change your lot size to 0.83, what we already calculated. Add here your take profit and your stop loss, and then click on sell or buy. And then you would do the same thing with the take profit 3, of course, and that's it. Please also make sure when you're copying a trading signal to always calculate your lot size and this your risk for every single trading signal. Because let's say we are changing the stop loss price and instead of 50 we do it 40. Okay, we had a lot size of 2.5 before, and now let's calculate it. So let's try it. So instead of having a stop loss price at 57,150, we make it. And now let's calculate again, and you will find that the lot size has increased dramatically because the stop loss is now much closer to our entry point, and thus we would risk less. However, we had 150 at the beginning. If we would turn it to maybe 500 instead and calculate here now, you will see that our lot size has been decreased a lot as well. And don't forget, if we have 3 take profits, we would even need to divide these 1.3 lots by 3. So you will see, like, depending on how many pips your entry point to the stop loss point is, your lot size will vary depending on your risk tolerance. So to summarize it really quickly, the first thing you need to do is to download MetaTrader 4 or 5, add the account by entering your credentials, choose the correct trading part, check if the entrance point is still worth it or not, if it's still similar to the signal you got. If it's so and still worth to enter it, go and calculate your own lot size. And then, of course, you can add the lot size, your take profit, the stop loss, and so on.